So you've seen all the things waiting to enter the pot, and you've seen the young man carrying the plate, and the plate turned into the pot. That should be oil. You have also seen this white something that doesn't have a name, and how he loves to play with oil. Would you now say that you have seen enough? Or enough is enough? For there is meat stock, and meat, many colors of meat, and meat meeting meat, and the hand that decided to turn it. Would you now say that the meat is enough? Because when we cover the pot and open it, we must start the cooking or continue the cooking. Add crayfish. Is that fish? This one is pepper. Both hot and cold. And before you come for me, before it turns to quarrel, we pepper the soup. We also color the soup. We must allow the pot to remain covered. Uncover it. Other things must come inside. But after it rumbles and tumbles, add melon to melon. Stir melon. What if we choose to stir the soup? Do we now call it a day? Would you now say that you have seen enough? Let's cover the pot. Enough of that. Salt it. Other things must come inside. Leaf should be allowed to enter the pot. But after we stirred all to combine, after leaf is combined with soup, will you now say that you have seen enough? Because after I cover the pot and open it, I am going home. Enough is enough. We will start from where it all began and all the things that we saw. We don't know this one. Better things are yet to come. You think oil is better, or this one, we don't know it before, or the mystery hand that fried it. What else can we see? Sea animals, or the ones that walk on land, the ones that cry at night with feathers that cannot fly. What else do you want to see? What can you say? But let's get back to Mr. Fish. But we've seen it before. Let's get to things we've not seen. You think this is better, or is for the betterment of others? We will leave it behind so that we can better this one. Or have you seen anything that is better, anti-better? Have you seen this one? But that's not all. Other things were added for the betterment of everyone, and leaves for the living legends, and periwinkles for the periwinkle legends. But let's not call a spade a spade. We will show things around and cover it, uncover it. Now you think this is okra soup? Never. It is better, anti-better. When cow tail is the meat for men, cow waist is the meat for women. And we added this for the boys and girls, this for the kids. And before you ask me what is that, there are many things involved. For sweetness and for deliciousness, cover your pot, uncover it. The story begins in a Bagana community. They lived in peace and harmony without acrimony, and there was money. Why the people wanted pepper soup, the Igwe wanted other things. He added this guy, black and roasted, and water till the community was flooded. There is no oil in pepper soup and no crayfish in pepper soup. A once happy community, now rumbling and tumbling. We gave up when he brought this guy, black like charcoal, and this guy, white like charcoal. They are all charcoal. Until we get pepper soup, everything is charcoal. First open the pot. Maybe it has turned. It hasn't. Let Igwe come and open his community. No one expected this guy, black like bitter leaf. A young warlock from Umunede, Mr. Bitterleaf. He brought back peace and harmony without acrimony, and there was money. Digwe, for his wisdom, was rewarded with 50 tubers of yam, so he could make pounded yam for the community for the yam festival. In the end, the community entered into a large pot and lived happily ever after.